Next question. Find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. So here the question 1 by 4 and minus 1. So let us consider the polynomial of the form ax square plus bx plus c and its zeros be alpha and beta. So what is alpha plus beta? That is sum of the zeros. It is 1 by 4 and alpha beta equal to minus 1. So alpha plus beta, that is minus b by a, and alpha beta is c by a. Okay. So from this we can take a equal to 4, that is a equal to 4, b equal to minus b equal to 1, so b equal to minus 1, and c equal to, okay, minus 1 here it is given, so this can be written as minus 4 by 4. So c can be written as minus 4. Okay, because already we are having a as 4. So in order to get minus 1, it will, if you can consider minus 4 by 4, it will be. So c equal to minus 4. So therefore, what is a quadratic polynomial? Ax square, that is 4x square plus bx, that is minus x, plus c, that is minus 4. And question number 2, root 2 comma 1 by 3. Let the polynomial be of the form ax square plus bx plus c and its zero be alpha and beta. You can write alpha plus beta equal to root 2 and alpha into beta equal to 1 by 3. That is, this is minus b by a and this is c by a. So a is already given as 3. For that, what we need to do, we need to change root 2 into the form of 3. So if we have 3 in the denominator, here also we are having 3. So this can be written as 3 root 2 by 3. So what is the value of a? A equal to 3. What is the value of b? B equal to minus b equal to 3 root 2. So b equal to minus 3 root 2 and c equal to 1. So therefore the polynomial is 3x square minus 3 root 2 x plus 1. Next, third one, 0 comma root 5. So let ax square plus bx plus c is the polynomial and its 0 be alpha comma beta like the previous. What is alpha plus beta? Equal to 0. And what is alpha beta? Equal to root 5. So root 5 can be written as root 5 by 1, which is equal to c by a. So a we got 1, so it can be written as 0 by 1, which is equal to minus b by a. So in this, according to this, what is the value of a? A equal to 1, b equal to 0 and c equal to root 5. Therefore, the quadratic polynomial is x square plus 0x, no need to write, and plus root 5. Question number 4, 1 comma 1. Let the polynomial be ax square plus bx plus c, and the zeros are alpha and beta. Therefore, alpha plus beta equal to 1 and alpha beta equal to 1. This is minus b by a and this is c by a. So this can be written as 1 by 1. This also can be written as 1 by 1. So what is the value of a? A equal to 1, b equal to minus 1 and c equal to 1. So what is the final quadratic polynomial? It is 1x square minus x plus 1. And the next question, minus 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. Let the polynomial be ax square plus bx plus c and the zeros be alpha and beta. Alpha plus beta equal to minus 1 by 4 and alpha beta equal to 1 by 4. So this is minus b by a and this is c by a. So what is the value of a? A equal to 4, b equal to 1 and c equal to 1. Therefore, the quadratic polynomial is 4x square plus x plus 1. And the last one, 4 comma 1. Let the polynomial be ax square plus bx plus c and the zeros are alpha and beta. Alpha plus beta equal to 4 and alpha beta equal to 1. This is of the form minus b by a, this is of the form c by a. So 4 can be written as 4 by 1, 1 can be written as 1 by 1. So what is a? A equal to 1, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to 1. So what is the quadratic polynomial? It is x square minus 4x plus 1. So is it clear? That is what they had given. They had given find the quadratic polynomial. We need to find the quadratic polynomial each with the given number as the sum and product of its zeros. So here they had given the sum and the product. Okay. Suppose if you are having for the quadratic polynomial, so how we represent? We represent in the general form ax square plus bx plus c, and let alpha and beta are the zeros. The sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta equal to minus 1 by 4. That is the sum already been given, which is equal to minus b by a, which we already discussed in the previous exercise. And the product, that is 1 by 4, that is alpha into beta equal to 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4 equal to b by a. That means b equal to minus 1. So minus b equal to minus b by a. So minus b equal to minus 1. So b equal to 1. And what is a? A equal to 4. And what is c? From the second, c equal to 1. C equal to 1. So this one, what you want to do? You replace in the ax square plus bx plus c. What is the value of a? A equal to 4. So 4x square. What is the value of b? 1 plus 1x plus what is the value of c? 1. So that is equal to 4x square plus x plus 1. Okay, it's clear? If you are having any queries, please write to me. Thanks for listening. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for continuous support. Thank you.